Here's a special message from the Superintendent.
The Thanksgiving holiday is upon us, and we have so much to be thankful for. Our world was turned upside down just 7 weeks ago when Hurricane Ian made landfall on our coast. But today we are still standing, rebuilding our lives, and growing stronger as a community. Think about how much we have collectively accomplished in such a short amount of time. Power has been restored across our county in just record speed. Bridges were rebuilt in weeks instead of months. Debris is being cleared as quickly as possible. In the school district of Lee County, we had every student back in a learning environment within 23 days of one of the most powerful storms to ever hit our area. And we are by no means done, as there is still so much to do. Our families, friends, and neighbors will be rebuilding for months. The beaches we love so much could take years to fully come back. Major decisions still lie ahead for the future of Fort Myers Beach and Hector A. Caffaretta Junior Elementary Schools. Through it all, our staff, students, families, and community have not lost focus on the importance of everyday learning. It has already been an amazing school year with some incredible accolades that have come in from across our district. One of our teachers was named the Army JROTC Instructor of the Year. Dunbar High School's math team finished 5th in the nation. Lehigh Senior High School was named the Best Buddies Outstanding High School of the Year. And Fort Myers High and Mariner High were named Special Olympics National Banner Schools. We had 60 students earn College Board National Recognition Awards. 8 students were named National Merit Scholarship Program semi-finalists, and 40 of our schools earned PBIS Model School status. We're not even through the first semester, so I can't wait to see what else we can accomplish. Please use the week ahead to rest, relax, and recharge. If you're a staff member, paraprofessional, support professional, teacher, administrator, I'm thankful to all of you for everything you've done for our schools and our community. But we all should be thankful for what we all have done for ourselves and for the people around us. We are in a community that cares, and you have a school district that supports you. Have a very happy Thanksgiving.